Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything.
Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is my 2024 Valentine's Day Decorate With Me. I'm super excited to pull out all the pinks and the reds and the flowers and the, you know, all that jazz. So I'm super excited for today's video. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe. I think at the beginning of this video, or while I'm filming this video I should say, I'm at like 625 subscribers. So I am growing slowly but surely, so please subscribe to your girl, okay? I cannot wait to get to 1,000 subs. I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway when I get there. So without further ado, let's go get into it. I already kind of pre-cleaned, to be honest, this time. I usually don't do that, but I definitely did today so I can make the process a little bit faster. But I'm gonna show you a super quick haul of the things that I got this year, and we're gonna jump into it. So it's kind of a hodgepodge of things around. That pillow was from Ross, and I believe I got this pillow from Ross as well. And I think that's all the stuff I got from Ross. All this stuff over here is from years past. Most of it is from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And then I got this wreath here this year from Walmart. This Hobby Lobby. Oh, I think this is super cute. Hobby Lobby. All this over here is from Hobby Lobby. So I'll stop telling you until I move on to another store. But I got these cute little lovebirds. If you guys saw my, what was it called? My Hobby Lobby shop with me, then you saw that I was upset with myself that I didn't get these, so I did go back and get them. I got 2 of those, like little lovebirds. I got this cute little tassel. Oops. Ah. Oh my gosh. I got this garland. This XOXO sign. That's the second bird. I could not find these at my store, so I ended up having to pay a higher price to get it from Hobby Lobby too. So I wasn't happy about that. I got this wicker basket, which I think is a pretty good deal. It was on clearance for $23.99. Sounds like that's not bad at all. And then I ended up getting some florals from there. Their florals were not on sale this week, so I only picked up one. It was $17.99. And then I ended up getting this, which was 50% off. And then I just got like some little treats from Walmart. I got these wreaths to go on the back of my bar stools from Michael's, which the little thing fell off and I'm gonna have to hot glue before I can even tie it on. But it's like a little, oops, wreath. It's gonna go back on my island bar stools. And then everything else you'll just see as I work through it. I think there's one more really cute thing. Oh, actually I got 2 of these little pillows this year. They were $5 from Walmart. This, oh, it's dark over there. This cute little bear was from Walmart. That was, I can't remember, $8.86. And then I got this. This is a cute little thing. It's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but I thought it was super cute. TJ Maxx, $9.99. Okay, so first things first, we're going to get started on this entryway table. I'm just kind of messing around with the florals. I change them up a little bit here and there. And then that large heart I got from Walmart some years ago, and it actually does light up. So it's super, super cute, but I never put batteries in there. Well, I did put batteries in there, but that was years ago. So I have not added new batteries. So if I get a chance, I definitely will. Did get a cute mirror for this entryway. It's not like hung up on the wall or anything. It just kind of like lays on the table, but I did not have it at the time I was filming this video, so I have it now. So I guess one of these videos coming up, I'll show you that mirror. I kind of feel like it needs to be bigger actually, but that's one thing I'm like really terrible about. I don't ever pre-measure anything, and so I just kind of take my best guess. And then half the time the measurements are like off. So yeah, there's that. And then I placed the hooks on this entryway table the wrong way. Or I should say not the way I intended it to hang, but it all worked out fine. But this was just not my original plan on how I wanted this garland to hang. And then this pink basket, or sorry, not pink basket, the pink blanket that's hanging out of this basket, I ended up actually throwing it in the trash. It was in such bad shape. It was in one of my bins downstairs in the basement, and I didn't realize how bad it was, how old it was looking. It was like, it was messed up. So it definitely had to go. But I ended up coming up with something totally so much cuter. So I was glad that I ended up getting rid of that one anyway. Okay, so I think this is turning out pretty cute so far, but it's missing something over down there next to the basket. I think I'm gonna put some rose petals, and then I also want to add a bow to the handle of the basket. So let's do that. Also, I don't know why I struggle so much with bows. Like, I swear I know how to tie my shoes, y'all. I don't know what the deal is, but it takes me a few tries. Like, if you guys have been here since I've been decorating, like when I did like the bows on my banister, garland, and all that stuff, y'all know I struggle with those bows. But I'm slowly but surely getting the hang of it. I don't know why it's so difficult, because it's not difficult, but it is. You know what I mean? Do you guys decorate for Valentine's Day? Let me know. We are, well, it's almost February 1st now, so we are about there, just a couple weeks. But I absolutely love decorating for Valentine's Day just because it gives me an excuse to really put all the pinks and stuff in my decor and in my house, and all the florals and all that stuff. Okay, so I think that turned out super cute. Let's move over to the bench here.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I won't.
Okay, I think the bench turned out pretty cute. I really hate that red pillow over there, but I figure I might as well use it since I'm doing red and pink anyway, and it's Valentine's. I'm not gonna use it anywhere else. I actually got it in a pack from, oh, I'm looking at the light, sorry. I actually got it in a pack like during Christmas time. It was with one of my gingerbread pillows. That's the only reason why I even got it, because I would have never picked that up, but I think it looks okay. Okay, now let's move on to the kitchen. Let's work on this situation. Look at this, isn't that so cute? If you guys follow me over on Instagram, I'm at Just Marie Homemade. You'll see that I had posted this a little bit ago, but it is the cutest. I love it. TJ Maxx, 10 bucks. Oh my gosh, I did not know it was by Rachel Zoe. Hey girl. Okay, I'm gonna light that here in a minute. But I knew I wanted that to be there, so I left it. Let's get some florals in here though. I think these are super pretty. So let's try this first. Okay, I like these, but these are kind of old and a little on the raggedy end. So, I might try.
I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I.
Okay, let's see if this will work better.
Okay, so I realized after the fact that in order for this to actually look full, I needed another like of the pale pink floral bunch. So I did go back to Hobby Lobby and get another one, and I did add it in after the fact. You can't really tell from the front, but if you're looking from the back, it looks like a little bald. And then I put these cute little sugar cookies in this little dessert tray, cover tray that I got from Target. It's from Hearth and Hand. And I think the little treats in there just look so cute and it's so festive. I personally am not a fan of the frosting or anything on these cookies, but boy, kids love them. Switching the candle out on the stove to a pink strawberry shortcake candle from Goose Creek Candle Company. They are amazing. Their shipping is typically pretty fast. They always have a good sale. Their candles have a great throw, and I think they're pretty creative too. So yeah, I actually have like, it's the Little Debbie strawberry shortcake. It is so cute. And of course I went with the theme because it was pink. And then after we did all of that, we moved over to the other side over here where I'm going to decorate my tiered tray. I started filling up like my little jars and stuff here with like the little festive candies and the little I think they're like strawberry cake not cake rolls, but strawberry cake something that is in the shape of hearts. So that was cute and festive. And yeah, we're just gonna start decorating all this stuff. If you see me pull my phone out over here, which you definitely will, obviously I am filming for reels and shorts because hello, work smarter, not harder. So hopefully that doesn't bother you too much.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
And now I'm just putting my little wreath up here on the pantry door. And then we're going to do little finishing touches, which is just adding our little cute kitchen towels all over. I'm putting it on my wall oven. And then I'm going to put it over here on my double oven.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always
Cute little wreaths from Michael's that I'm going to tie onto the back of my bar stools. And I absolutely love how the kitchen turned out. I think it came out super cute. Again, every time I decorate in this kitchen, it always just reminds me that I don't have a backsplash. So, yes, definitely in need of a backsplash. But other than that, I absolutely love it.
someone else, I'm not myself, no. a dream move. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Okay, let's move on to the living room. I really don't have much in here. We're just going to hang a garland. We're going to do like a basket full of flowers, a little tic-tac-toe thing. We're going to decorate the couches a little bit. And then that'll be it. And as you can see, I ended up reusing some of my winter pillows because why not? I mean, it is still winter and I figure it still goes with the theme. It still looks cute. Might as well use them. And I needed some pillows to fill out these couches anyway. I didn't want them to look bare with just the Valentine stuff. I barely have anything on the couches. So I definitely reused it. So that is definitely a tip. If you're wanting to decorate but save money, then definitely shop your home for items, you know, you're not using, or being able to, you know, you can switch from one room to another or one space to another. Definitely reuse decor for different seasons if you can. That's definitely a good tip.
Smart, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. To my knees, keep loose and sleep. I'm at extreme at midnight, so hard to please.
Oh, and then I also ended up adding another vase and another floral arrangement on my island.
Let's just say this is going to be a monster to edit. I have been filming for so long, but I can't even imagine if I did not clean up as much as I did before I started filming and decorating. I wouldn't have been able to finish. And I usually don't decorate every single area in one day. The only thing I have left to do is like my table, but I don't really even know if I even plan on really doing a tablescape, so might not get done. But I hope you enjoyed it. I think everything turned out super, super cute. I think the living room it's cute, but it's not much to it. Like I said, I need a coffee table, a rug, and I really need to change this furniture in here. So, but I think everything else turned out super cute. I love how my kitchen turned out. I think my kitchen turned out so, so cute. And I also love how my entryway table turned out as well. There's elements, I guess, everywhere that really brought everything together. So, anywho, I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you on my channel. And I will see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye-bye.